Hi everyone. Today I want to talk about how I restore my documents and everything in my bag, and how to protect yourself from losing your phone, money, documents. If you have car in Angeles City, when you hide your driver license inside the car, not to carry with you, I think it's better. Also, if you have additional key in the car, better hold in the safe place in home or hotel. Also need to turn on your backup function in your phone, and the phone need to search function, and they also of course need to good password. Also, if you have Apple AirTag, it's better if you hide in the bag, not put AirTag same like near key. Or you remember I have AirTag in my wallet, I have AirTag in my key, but criminal seen and broke. That's why you don't know location. You can know only last location when we broke its AirTag. But if you hide AirTag in the bag, you will know location of criminal and give coordination report to police, and police will catch. I think it's better. I advise you register GCash application. It's the same like PayPal, and you can use in the Philippines without carrying cash. You don't need to use cash. Even you lose your phone, you can restore your account in GCash and use your money. GCash can cash in, cash out anywhere. Even in the small store you can cash in and cash out. Now I will tell you how I restoring everything what I lost in this day, October 22. In first minutes after robbery, I went to my home. I took my second phone, blocked bank account. I blocked bank account. Also, I blocked stolen phone in Samsung account. Also in Google. And erase all information from phone. From internet I erase. That's why they cannot already use my phone. And next day I bought the same phone, Samsung, in Samsung store in SM. It's morning I wake up and go faster first to buy phone. And I have backup my phone, and I restore also SIM card in SM Clark have smart office. I restore SIM card, so I already have my SIM card, the same number, have same phone, Samsung, because I have backup in internet, so that's why I restore. Also I came to LTO Angeles, and received duplicate of driver license, Philippine driver license. It's only 1 hour, and 260 peso I pay. It's faster, so it's easy. In the Philippines very easy, because I registered it before. When I take my Philippine driver license, I register in LTO. That's why it's easy to take duplicate. I already prepare my document for restore my driver license, and 7 morning I already in the LTO Angeles. This process is not so. It's so easy. I just only been in the lawyer and take affidavit of loss. It's cost about 750 peso. And only copy passport need only, and what I pay 260 peso only for new driver license. It's duplicate, so faster in the Philippines, but you need to register in LTO portal. But I registered it before when I make my driver license in the Philippines. so it's easy. This is LTO. Today first working day, that's why so heavy traffic in Angeles. LTO and Yamaha. Before I bought Yamaha in this building, this is store Yamaha. Also Honda have. Honda Cars Philippines. Maybe someday I will take video in Honda also. And now I go to Toyota Service Center because I have only one key and I need another key duplicate, because I always hold my one key in the home and another key with me. Also I go to Toyota Service Center, it's near Marquee Mall, and because my key have criminal, that's why I need it faster need erase information about stolen my key fob and from system, car system. Of course I can do myself, I have programmer, not problem for me, but I don't have in this time, I don't have key fob, so need key fob to flash to car system new, but I don't have. Maybe if I go to Hong Kong, China, I will buy in advance, maybe better in my home have new key fob. So it's very important for me, that's why I'm faster erase information about lost key. In the bank I receive new bank card, it's only 200 peso need, because first day I block card and next day I make new bank card. Also I lost, case from the camera, DJI camera. I bought for case from camera 350 peso in Lazada. Also power bank I lost. Power bank I bought in Lazada also 200 or 2000 peso. Just only I cannot buy leather wallet, because before I bought leather wallet in Hong Kong. In the Philippines don't have the same, but I want to restore all the same what I have before. So I restore all except my leather wallet. But I will go to Hong Kong soon and I will buy. Of course it's so expensive for me, so expensive because I lost and I need to restore all. But criminal, I think we cannot sell my phone, because my phone is flip, it don't have display, have only film, we cannot sell good. Also blocked phone, we cannot use, cannot open, it's old phone already. And what I can say, who never robbed in the Angeles city? I can only congratulate you professional, your skills, but it's life. So in life, everything can happen, So you need to be prepared. In the Philippines, especially, not only in the Philippines, many people I know lost in Vietnam. In Vietnam is big problem. In the Philippines, only in touristic place. Only Balibago, Malabaños, in side of the road. I live in the Mabalacat city, and I can walk in my place, safety, use phone, no one who can rob my phone. But in Angeles city, where have so many tourists, you cannot do the same. That's why, who want to live in Angeles city, you need to know, you need to more attention, because it's a touristic place. But I don't like live in Angeles city. Yes, it's good place for go to the bar, who want bar, pick up girls, but who have family, who have girlfriend, I think better live in far from walking street. Also, if you live far from walking street, it's cheaper. cheaper than in a touristic place. In touristic place, you know, it's all expensive, even food's expensive. So guys, thank you for watching. Soon I will again go to China. I always traveling to China. So sometimes if you cannot watch new video, it's mean I am in China. Because in China don't have YouTube, don't have Google service, and I cannot upload new video. Usually I upload video and put schedule in YouTube. That's why YouTube publish by every day schedule. So it's not me, it's scheduled from before, because I scheduled before. Thank you for watching. I hope you understand me. Who not understand, in description of a video have information I write. You can read. Who not understand my English. I know my English is not good. I not study English. I already say many times. I study Chinese language. But my friend from different country understand me. Only maybe from USA, because different accent, maybe they not understand me. Sorry about this. But when I been in the USA, many people, not so many, some of people not understand English also. They speak Spanish. Okay, thank you for watching.